You can learn from YouTube or social media if you think Qigong is just a choreographed movement. Many people teach Qigong forms online. They will show you some soft, smooth, beautiful hands and arm movements and postures. Yes, they are very appealing to the eyes. But they are not the real Qigong. Qigong is more than forms. It has thousands of years of histories in experiencing and understanding of the subtle life energy, Qi. It requires the involvement of your concentration and consciousness. It cultivates the connection between nature and you. Without the deep understanding of Qi and Qigong, you are just practicing dancing movements coordinated with breath, which may help you relax, but won't change your health or life. In China, we say, 师傅领进门，修行在个人. That means you need a mentor to lead you to the door. And after that, you are the one who decides how far and how well you can walk the journey. That's especially true for Qigong learning.